So, interesting thing happened today at autocross. My trunk stopped latching, so I ended up running the bungee cord from here all the way down to the tow hook to keep it shut for the entire day. But if you check this out, it kind of just pushes, bounces right back out. So, something is up with the latch here, and something's also rolling around inside, but it also could be a push pin that I took off. But anyways, if you take a look at this thing, you can kind of push it all the way up in here, as you can see right here, but it's fully loose. So I think there's something wrong internally with this trunk latch, as you can see. To take it off, you have 3 Torx bits, 1, 2, 3, and then a metal rod which goes up here, so you just gotta pull this out. So let's get working on that. So it looks like there is a spring missing in here, because this is the locking mechanism for this part of the latch, and it doesn't seem to be there. So I believe the way this works is you get a pin, the striking pin, it closes up like this. Then this piece here should have a spring which pushes it over so that it stays. However, this piece right here is free to move right now. So I don't know what it's supposed to look like as an OEM piece, but obviously the spring is broken and it won't close. Alright, so clip 2, same day, actually Home Depot Racing Safe Day, and I was able to get an extension spring. Let's see if you guys can see that. I got an extension spring to work with this latch. This is the part number right here, 685383. It's the Everbuilt extension springs pack. 2 sizes, a short 1.5 inch one and a longer 1 7/8 inch one. I ended up using the 1 7/8 inch, the big guy. It is weaker. The working load is 2.4 pounds versus the 8.46 pounds of the other one, but the eye holes of the shorter one weren't big enough to go over the little nubs of the latches. So rather than mess around with the eye holes, I just used the bigger one and I cut it down a lot. So if you look at that, it is a very, very short spring right now. But I mean, that's all you need. I don't think you need that much force to keep this thing latched. So anyways, let me show you how it works now. This is fully unlatched. If we close it, and this is my trunk latch, you could hear it snap in. So there you go. And then if I pull this, pops back. And there's a little bit of tension on this right now, and I think that's all you need.